I'm super happy with this look. It just looks so simple, so natural. I feel like I'm like ready for a photo shoot at this point. Like, hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. If you already watched my other videos, then you know that I am trying different foundations with my Milk Primer just to see, you know, the quality of it, if it's gonna last through the trials and tribulation of every foundation that I have. We'll see, you'll see, you know, we're gonna get through it together. So today I'm gonna be using my Milk Primer with my Soft Matte NARS foundation. So I'm excited to see how that's about to go. So stay tuned. And all the products that I use in this video will be listed down below in the description. So don't worry about that. I got you. Okay, so I had to pause the music to let y'all see how it's going, and like, this is my favorite foundation. I'm just letting y'all know. I just love the way this foundation feels on me. It makes my skin look so flawless, y'all. Like, seriously, y'all. Like, this foundation is perfect for me. I love the way this makes my skin looks. I love the way my skin feels with this. And I feel like this just makes it even just incredible, y'all. Like, I feel like this is like a shield. Like I said before, I am still getting used to the little serum type feel. But once you pass the little jelly feel, I promise you, you cannot tell that this primer is on. Like, y'all, where has this been all my life? Like, where? I'm just trying to let y'all know. Okay, I'm going back to my music, all right? I honestly feel like I am getting like better with my makeup. I don't do makeup. I don't want to do makeup professionally. I just want to do it for myself, and I said that way before I even started doing makeup, but I'm just letting you know because you know I got new subscribers. But no, I am not trying to be a MUA or anything like that. I just want to know how to beat my face, snatch my face, because I like to take pictures. I like to try on my clothes. And I mean, you gotta have your face done. You gotta have your hair, your face, and your outfit on point. Like, those are the three main essentials right there. So yeah, I'm loving the fact that I am getting very familiar with my face and what I'm supposed to do as far as the techniques. I am gonna go ahead off camera and put on my lashes and stuff like that, and then I'm gonna be back to show y'all the final look. I'm literally scraping the last little bit of my mascara because my other mascara is not hitting like this one. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna let my lashes dry. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes off camera, and I'm gonna blend out the rest of this stuff on my face, and I'll be back to show you guys how it looks. And y'all know I gotta take my hair down and all of that, blah, 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 so y'all can see what's going on. I'll be back, all right? Okay, guys, so I am back, and this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. And like I told y'all before, I really love this shortcut because you can kind of play with it. It doesn't have to be a certain way. It's just really up to you. Like, all you have to do is rake this hairstyle, like, and go. Because with different types of, styles, it gives you different types of looks. So you could put the mushroom, you could put the side, you could just put the raw edge. It's just really up to you. But me, I'm just trying to rake it. Give me that Monica look. Or Nia Long or something like that. I love the little piece right here, how it would be in the front. I like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out by telling you guys some of the things I use to wrap this look up. First, I'm gonna pour me a glass of wine, and I will be drinking the Middle Sister, and I got this from Target. It was like $9, and y'all, it is so good. My homegirl put me up on this, and ever since then I've been like obsessed with it. Just like a really good unwinding drink is just gonna be this wine for sure. So I'm gonna let you guys know I went ahead and used the Marc Jacobs in 230 J'adore lipstick, and that's what I have on right now with the brown lip liner. I also went in with the highlight, the Wet n Wild that I told you guys about before. I really like this one. Like, You can see the highlight. I didn't do a whole lot, but I did do it on my nose and also on my cheeks. And you guys know my favorite, the Revolution. I went in with this just to give my face a nice touch. This wraps up this video. Like always, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, don't forget to treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.